Hello everyone, we're here at the Wingate by Wyndham in Moab, Utah. We're going to take a quick hotel room tour of room 327, a standard room with 2 queen beds. So let's go in. Right as you enter on the right, we have light switches. That controls the light right above the entryway. And right as you walk in, there's a sliding panel door on the right, you can see, for the bathroom and the closet. And to the right is the bathroom. We have 2 lights in the bathroom. We have one that controls the light in the mirror, and another one that controls the fan and the light above. I guess the fan will shut off after some time. Here's the bathroom, a nice walk-in shower over here with a sliding door. And this shower kind of has low pressure, if you can see right here. That's the max pressure it goes, really, even if you rotate the shower head to turn it to other modes. And over here is the sink area. A very large sink, some storage area on the bottom for towels and other belongings. A large mirror, the light. And then an outlet, a towel rack, and then there's the toilet there. And there's the door to the bathroom that slides along with the closet. So sliding this door to the other side, we have the closet area, small little closet here. There are about 7 coat hangers there, some extra bedding, iron and ironing board, and a safe, fairly large safe there. And then going over here to the main part of the room, we have a bench on the left right there. You can put your luggage there. And then there are the 2 queen-sized beds. On the wall, we have a wall-controlled AC heater unit from GE. Some rooms have different thermostats, but it's basically the same thing. Our unit is pretty loud here in this room. Some of the other rooms are quieter. And then over here we have the television and entertainment console. You get a fairly large Samsung TV, probably a 40 or 50 inch. And then we get a microwave here, a Danby, and then we get some drawers. They're not too deep though. There's a microwave. And then in here we get the refrigerator. There's a refrigerator. Notably, this one does not have a freezer compartment at all. So that's kind of odd. And it gets kind of loud when there's a lot of stuff in it and the heat gets like trapped inside this enclosure, but the noise does get reduced. Send that away, and then we have a luggage rack over here, trash can, desk, and then they have the coffee maker, the ice bucket as well. Desk is kind of small. Then we have a desk lamp over here with 2 power outlets on it and yet another mirror. And then coming over here we have the window AC heater unit. And this one does get quite loud when the AC compressor is running. Then out here we have a view out. This is looking south. There's the pool area, large outdoor pool. And there's a bunch of extra parking over there. And then the main parking is back there. So that's a view out. We get a shade here, and then we get blackout curtains. Coming over here, we have a chair and then a floor lamp. And here's the other bed. All the lights in this property are LED, so that's pretty nice. Another view of the room, and then let's take a quick look here at the nightstand in between. You get a deeper drawer. A deeper drawer, and then we have a hotel directory or information. The hotel phone, pretty compact. Then we get an alarm clock here. Channel guide. They do get HD channels, but very few HD channels on the digital cable. Then we get 2 lights. They can control independently, and then 2 outlets on this lamp here. And then back behind here you also get another outlet, although one of the outlets is controlled by the master switch over near the front of the room. So that's going to be it for this room tour at the Wingate by Wyndham in Moab, Utah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Get subscribed so you don't miss any new travel and technology videos that will be coming to the channel soon. Also check the description for a link to a playlist of all my travels this year.